Hi guys, welcome back. So I am back today as promised with my review video of the Adaptology skincare. So I have been using these products now pretty much every single day. I've been creating a little skincare routine and my skin has been loving it, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know about you, but I'm really bad at keeping a skincare routine. I don't know why. I think partly because it's just I can't be bothered, but I think the other half is that I haven't actually found a range that's suited to my skin type. So after trying all these, I'm just blown away because I've actually found something that works for me. As I said, I've been using it pretty much every day. Some of the products I've just been using in the evening, but definitely in the nighttime I have been using them all. Starting obviously with the cleanser, I have been removing my makeup with that, and I'll come back to that in a bit because that cleanser is insane. I've been following that then with the serum, then with the moisturiser, and then to finish I've actually been just spritzing some toner all over my face as well, and it has been life-changing. So I think what I'll do is I'll go step by step just through each product, tell you what I liked, tell you if there was any concerns and how it worked for my skin. So we'll start off with the Adaptology Dry Spell Serum. When I first opened this was full to the brim and I thought I was going to trickle out slowly. I literally went like this and it went everywhere. This serum is not oily, it is very nice on the skin. It's not one of these serums that you would apply and it just stays there. It really does absorb and sink into the skin itself. This one, as I said in the previous video, has CBD oil in and high altitude rosehip Arctic sea buckthorn, which just sounds amazing, doesn't it, as it is. This did work really well for my skin type. I would highly recommend it if you are looking for a serum because you literally need a tiny bit. So this tiny bottle, that size, is going to last me so long. Fingers crossed I don't spill anymore, but I highly recommend this one already. So this is the cleanser. Now, this cleanser blew my mind when I first opened it. So let me just give you a bit of a recap. So this one has papaya enzymes, rosehip oil, and again, Arctic sea buckthorn. Cleanses, soothes, and nourishes the skin. Maximum balm, minimum irritation. So this is all designed for dry skin. So just remembering what I said in the previous video, I have dry skin, I have eczema around my nose, on my forehead, around my mouth, and I actually have it on my eyelids as well, which is really annoying because anytime that I put eyeshadow on, it just sticks to the eczema. So I have this clump of eyeshadow, which isn't cool. So when I want to remove my makeup, obviously I want something that's going to work, number one, and I want something, again, that's going to be good for my skin. I was blown away by the consistency of this cleanser. It looks like hair gel, right? It is wild. Again, you need like the tiniest bit. You would pop it onto your face. I added a little bit of water onto it as well afterwards, and it just goes into like a really thin sort of balmy texture, and it really does get all of your makeup off. But the texture, as I said, the texture of it's just crazy. I've never had a cleanser like it, but this is definitely one I will be repurchasing because I am so bad at taking my makeup off. Always. I'm just happily grab like a soap bar and water and scrub my face with that. Don't kill me. But now that I have actually found something that works, 100% we'll be getting this again. This one has the biomimetic lipids and ceramides, which help restore the skin barrier and lock in moisture, and it also defends against pollution, UV blue light, and stress-related aging. So yes, I am approaching 30 next year, can you believe it? And all of these are good for aging skin, so particularly I am getting a little bit of crow's feet here, so hopefully that'll keep things at bay for a little bit longer. This has been really good. I've been using this morning and night every day. The only problem I have with this is the smell. It's really weird. Like, it's a fantastic moisturiser. It is so thick, so creamy and rich. You need the tiniest amount again. The products are such good quality. But when you first initially either open the jar or apply it onto the skin, it has a really strange, like cheesy smell. and I don't know what it is. It's definitely some form of ingredient in here, obviously, but after you start rubbing it in, it goes away. So there's no problem with it. I'm going to continue using this and repurchase this for sure, but the smell is just really odd. So don't let that put you off. If you are going to try these out, don't let it put you off initially, but that is my observation of the moisturiser. But yes, again, super rich, super creamy, super thick. You need the tiniest amount, and the moisturising effect on this is ridiculous. A fun fact that I thought was absolutely wild about this moisturiser is that I still have trouble saying these. The biomimetic lipids, they help restore the skin barrier by up to 62%, increasing hydration by 30% in just 4 hours. Like, that's wild. The elasticity by 15% and improving firmness by 14% in 7 days. Do you know what? I thought I was going crazy, but I genuinely thought my skin had felt tighter. My mind is blown. So if you're after something that's going to fix your dry skin, something that's going to stop you aging, well, you can't stop aging. Come on, Charles. You can certainly help. This product range is going to help. Okay, so last but not least, we have the Adaptology Dry Spell Toner. I've never really been one for toner because I've felt in the past that the products I've used just haven't done anything, like they just haven't worked. But this one, just to recap, rehydrates the skin with delicately fragranced rose water. Resurrection plant hydrates, boosts cellular metabolism, and lightens and brightens. So yeah, my skin can get really dull with obviously being quite dry. I also get eye bags under my eyes because I have a 1-year-old. And yeah, I just wanted my skin to have a little bit of life back in it. Another fun fact about the toner is that the resurrection plant is a desert extremogen that can hydrate the skin by 49.5% in just 2 hours and increase its elasticity by 93%. Wow. Do you know what I wish though? I wish all brands would have fun facts like this, because it really does help you when you're choosing products to decide on what's going to work for you, what you actually want out of a product. So I'm so pleased that Adaptology provides all of this information because it just makes it easier. That's another reason why I just don't buy skincare products that often, because I'm afraid and I have no idea what I'm buying. So when it's actually like planned out like this, it's amazing. I really do think that I've actually found something that's worked, and I can't quite believe it because it's been years and years and years and years and years of going back and forth between different products, different brands, and I've just never found anything that works. So I'm so thankful and so grateful to Adaptology for their products, their dry spell range. I will 100% be recommending this to my friends, particularly my sister, who might actually want to try their combination skin range, because as I said, I've got dry skin. She's got a mix of like oily to dry skin. She also gets eczema as well. So I'm going to recommend it to her. I'm going to get her to try them out and see if she suits this range too. Because again, she's got sensitive skin like me. And it is definitely worth the money. I'm guilty. I just don't spend any money on proper products for myself. I don't like spending above like £20 on a moisturiser. That's just me, and that, you know, I guarantee you I'm not the only one out there who does that. But what I'm starting to realise as I get older is that it is better quality things that do work. I know that sounds so silly, but like, I'll just happily get a pair of jeans from Primark. There's nothing wrong with them at all. But if I bought a pair of Levi's, they would probably last me a little bit longer. It's the same with skincare. So I will definitely be buying these again. There is nothing wrong with that price range if you want to have good and better quality skin. So I just want to say thank you so much, Adaptology, for sending these out. If you guys want to try their products, I will leave their links down below, and of course their Instagram and their website. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It is so good to be back, and I cannot wait to see you on my next one. So don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you all then.